Okay then. So I'm just coming up to the end of the road here. I'm just dropping the car into first gear. I'm looking both ways before I cross the line. Now you can see that there's lots of parked cars around here, so I just need to creep forward, make sure I can see it's clear in the space before I start to move forward. Now I'm just going to give way to this oncoming car just by moving in here. Check the mirror first of all. Move in. I've just moved out of his way. I'm going to now check this mirror, the left door mirror here, just to make sure that it's clear. There's no like bikes or anything overtaking me at this point. And this is a 20 zone. We're going to come to the end of this road, but we're going to go straight ahead at the crossroads here. It's raining, but not too much. Drop the car into first gear. And again, I just need to creep forward just to make sure it's clear for me and safe for me to go. I need to move out. I'm going to check the mirror. I can move out there. So it's all about your observations, particularly on these kind of roads where, you know, it's all very, very tight, and you know, there are going to be people that you need to just move out of the way for, just give way to, so that they can make their progress. I think it might have stopped raining. It's not been raining very much. Okay, so we're going to take the next right, so I'm going to mirror, signal. I'm already in second gear, but I'm braking. I can see that it's all clear everywhere. I'm just going to take the car around the corner. Looking as far down the road as I can see that it is pretty clear for me, and this actually is a one-way street, so I don't expect to see anything coming from the opposite way. However, it might be that car doors open, or, you know, people come out from behind or rush out from behind the cars, and kind of, you know, so I need to be careful for that. I need to be observing that, don't I? So let's go over the speed bump. Just around the blind bend, I'm just going to be a bit more cautious. Now I can see it's clear. I'm going to turn right when I get to the end of this road, so mirror, mirror, signal. Because it's a one-way street, I'm going to position the car on the right-hand side. Dropping it into first gear, creeping up to the line, looking both ways. Now it's important that I look both ways before I cross the line. I can't move yet because it's very busy on this road that I'm turning into. So I'm just going to be patient. I'm just going to be patient and wait. And again, you know, if you're on your test and you get something like this, there's no kind of limit to how long you should wait. You'd only wait until you can see the first safe space. So when in a green Honda here, it's kind of keeping the junction open, but there's still nowhere for me to move into at the moment. It's so busy. It's just that time of day, really. So I'm just going to keep looking both ways. I've prepared the car. I'm in first gear. I've got my hand on the handbrake. Somebody else is hanging back in the hope that I can move. Is this person in the grey car? Are they in the silver Peugeot? Are they going to let me out? I don't think they are. So I'm just observing, looking for my opportunity. Certainly the line of cars is beginning to move now, and nothing for me to move into yet. Again, this lady here in the black Peugeot, she's just hung back a little bit. Which is just a signal for me to say, well, I think it's clear for you, but I'm going to check for myself. Thank you very much. And then I'm going to come out. But she